Hello everybody, how are you all? I am fine. And what are you doing, people, now these days? Because you recently don't comment me in the comment box because I'm not famous even, and I'm not recognized by anyone. That is why one of the reason of that you don't comment me in comment box. And let's see how long you are not doing comment in the comment box. See guys, knowing a person is not a big deal. Okay, if you are connecting with one person for so long time, okay, and you are starting know about him or her, and this is how when you start your relationship with anyone. So if you like her or his nature, of course it's means a lot, and it's affect the human nature and human personality also. Because if you have a nice nature, nice conduct with towards the people, and if people are you know if people are connecting with you some particular time, for some particular time, and if you are liked by the person, then it is okay. Okay, it's nice. If you are not liked by the person, if you are not loving by the people, because nobody is wants to know that if you are not liked by the people, then you hurts very deeply. I know, because it's hurts very deeply, and I have faced many time life, and this is how when I improve my personality, my conduct, my nature also, and I have worked my on my personality, my nature, and yes, of course you have to also enhance your nature or conduct or personality if you don't have like that. Because people like they people like those persons who has a nice nature, who has nice voice, and who has nice their dressing sense. No that kind of who doing show off. Okay, who shows off his or her clothes, her jewelry, and etc. Whatever you have, so don't show off it. Okay, and because people don't like that. Okay, people don't like these stuffs. Because if you don't have nice nature, then nothing you have. Apart from that, nothing you have. If you have only money, jewelry, show off, status, they don't matter. Though they don't matter, and only do the matter. It is only your nature, your kindness, your honesty, and your careness towards the people who are connecting with you as a friend, as a relationship, as a in a relatives. Because you are, if you are meeting a person with no, if you are going somewhere, okay, whatever that place, and you meet some nice people, and your nature is rude. Okay, and you don't like so much talk with them, and you don't like and you don't wanna take him so granted, and whatever. Okay, and then people starting you notice that you are not take interest in them, and they gradually they gradually go from far from there. Okay, far from you, far from your place, and only they doing just that because if your conduct or your nature not matching others, then they start to far from you, they start to go from far from you, and they not wanna talk with you anymore, and this is how, when you lose the people in your life, and it's a most important thing that you have to take care of all the people you have in your life, because everyone's has a nice people, nice friends, nice relatives who take care of you, who take care of your feelings, who take care of your like dislike, you know. So you have to also take care of him or her, because it is also your duty. If you are a most important person for others, then you have to also take care of them. I'm not saying that thing that you are starting your activities in others, and involved in their life so much and too much, because it's not a good way, not going well things, okay. And you have to also do this thing that you have to only uh, take care of them very basic things, because basic things also drives from the like dislike, okay. So you have to choose those things that that person not like these things, that person not do these things. So you have to take care of them only, take care of that things also. And every person has a good place in your life, because if you are going far away from that particular person, so you doing so wrong, you are doing so wrong, and you are going to negative things, you are going towards the negative things also, and you are not doing that things right, okay. Because everything's done by you, it's not possible for that particular person, because you are not doing all over the things, because you are also being a human, and being a human, you also have lots of feelings and lots of uh, interested and like dislike you have also. So it is impossible. See, if I am doing some effort for my English, it is not easy to make a full video in English only. And even I don't tried in my house, and I don't have anybody to talk with him or her, because nobody wants to speak in English, and nobody wants to all the time doing these stuffs. Because if you have a so much desire to do a particular thing, then when you create these things. And in my side, I don't have anybody, and nobody wants to interfere my activity in their life, because everybody has a choice, everybody has an interest to what they wants to learn from that things. And this is how I am doing effort to make my videos in English only, because English, of course, not my mother tongue, is not my mother tongue. And for Indians, it's a very big task, or it's very difficult to make a full video actual. And have any I don't have been any classes in my past for English conversation, and I'm just doing for myself only. I have a graduation in from UP, okay, from CCS University, and this is the only thing I have done by me. And see, I have close my fan, because it's annoying so much whenever I make a video. And while I am making video, this is so much sound from the video, and it's not look like so good in my videos, so that's why I'm close the fan. and then I am doing this thing and I am making a video for you all. And I am feeling very heat, and I have so much sweating on my face. See, so many difficulties I have facing right now. But it is my desireness that I am making videos for you in English fully. So it's not a it, I'm not ashamed from these things, because actually these are my part of efforts, and it is remembering me that I am doing efforts, and to make any so important things of my life, and it's give me pleasure. So what was I talking about, sorry. Yeah, I am talking about yeah, person, that one person is so important in your life, because I have recently heard from my dearest friend that her father is no more, and she is totally shattered from the inside, and I'm feeling so bad about her, because everybody has a matter in your life, and it does matter so means, and means so a lot. And this is how, when you lose someone from your life, and please take care of everyone if you love someone. She is my bestest friend ever, and she helped me in my college life. She helped me a lot. And no any words in my dictionary to give thank her, and to give her rewards, because it's not amount of that kind of help. And yeah, I appreciate all the efforts which is given by her in my past life. And now when she is lost their lost her father at this stage, and this is not good and at all, because this is very typical time for her, and I want to help from my desire, from my bottom of my heart. And so don't think too much about that particular person who are existing in your life, because everybody has a means a lot in your life. And when he is living, or her, I'm not giving any specific, I'm just saying he, both of the person, whoever is girl or man, okay. So no matter that if you have one person and he is not doing so well with you, so don't think too much about that particular person, because when he is living right now with you, and you don't take care of her, and you are not concerning about that particular person, and when he or she will no more, okay, then you will realize that what kind of person and what the matter of that person in your life. So only I want to say that if you have lots of people in your life to take care of her, to take care of you, so don't demand over, okay, don't demand over from them. And because if you are loving some person without desireness, without any selfishness, so only the thing, if you have a kindness, okay, so this is all the matter, okay. please guys, love everyone, okay, love, and give your own time also towards you. And because everybody busy in their lives and nobody take care of anybody actually, because in this world are they so lots of people have so much selfishness, because nobody wants to give their private time to others, okay. So everybody wants to what they like, okay. So only they those people who like so much that particular person, if they have some some desiredness or some likes dislikes, so those people only they do things what they want, okay. So don't force them to do your things, because it's get annoying, and it's get some little bit bitterness in your relationship. So don't do that, okay, don't do that overall. But you can ask for a while, you ask for one time, and when you done with your once, then don't say again, okay, don't do this again, and just escape that particular time, and go from there. Because if you are going silently, then nobody needs to know that why are you going, okay, because they already have a lots of work, and they are busy in their works. So you have lots of people. If you are asking one by one, then everybody give their consent, and you only can do this that you get all the consent from there, and you can recognize that those peoples who are actually cares for you, right? So it is the only thing when you start your loved ones, and recognize them, and give them sometimes, and recognize them, and do test for them that what they are truly doing for you, okay, what they are doing truly for you, and what they can doing for you. So be positive in your life, do the things what you want, keep doing, keep positive, keep sharing and loving, okay. So bye bye, I'll see you soon in my next video. So bye bye, take care your loved ones, and subscribe my channel, and give one comment in my comment box, okay. Let me know if you like this video, then please comment me to make more contents on video, sorry, more make more videos on more contents, or you can also give me contents to make videos for those contents. So bye bye, take care, bye bye.